Hello my rosebuds and welcome back to my channel. Please sit down, we have to have a talk, and that is the debate on how nothing is trending right now in the fashion world because everything is trending all at once. Literally every fashion TikToker is talking about it and it's a lot. I have never seen so many micro aesthetics and subcategories of different styles be so popular all at the same time. Pretty sure this is why I cannot pick just one aesthetic. But you know what the good news about that is because we're still pulling from the 90s or the 2000s or the 2010s or anything that's considered vintage, you can find these really cool pieces at thrift stores or find them secondhand online. So in today's video, I'm going to be styling some outfits in 4 different unique aesthetics using a key thrifted item. I'm going to be styling Subversive, Dollette, a y2k rock style, still don't know what the name of that one really is, and Cyberpunk. I could have done the mainstream ones like streetwear and cottagecore and grunge, but that's kind of boring. I'm going to introduce you to some new ones. And obviously I cannot do a thrift video without my faves, ThredUp. ThredUp is an online consignment and thrift store that believes in a sustainable fashion feature. I love shopping on ThredUp, and now they have this feature where you can thrift inspired items just like the ones I am featuring in this haul. So if you want to thrift pieces from any of the aesthetics that I show you, they basically do all the searching for you. Just click the link in my description box below and use my code Nava for an extra 30% off your first order. Alright, aesthetic school is in session. Let's start with subversive. By internet definition, subversive basics are body conscious in a modern way, and they evoke a look that's understatedly sexy, often in muted tones, and features daring cutouts, slashes, twists, layers, and straps. Just think very Mad Maxy, dystopian, futuristic in a sense, and post-apocalyptic. In the first outfit, I'm styling this skirt that I thrifted on ThredUp. It's from the brand Karmar. It was estimated to retail for $188. I got it on ThredUp for $24.99. I styled it with this slash top that I DIY'd from a pair of tights, this shrug that I thrifted, my IMG cutout dress as a top, and some leg warmers. Next item I'm styling is this frayed cream asymmetrical skirt, also from ThredUp. It's from the brand BDG. It was estimated to retail for $38, but I got it on ThredUp for $17.99. I really like that subversive style uses a lot of muted earth tones because it's so opposite from the colors that I'm used to wearing, which is a lot of pinks and blacks. So I wanted to keep the color scheme pretty light and slightly monochrome, so I styled it with some of my IMG pieces that match and these beige leg warmers, and it came out pretty good in my opinion. Next, I found this super long tunic tank at the thrift store that I would normally pass because it is just not my cup of tea, but since I was styling an aesthetic I wouldn't really shop for, I wanted to give it a try and see if I could style it. I also knew it was going to be perfect for this post-apocalyptic style that I was shooting, so I needed to try it out. You can't really tell, but I actually put my head through the armhole of this tank top just so that one strap can go across my chest and make the straps look a little bit more interesting, like my inspo pics. And then I only added one sleeve from my Jaded London top since I noticed the subversive style is very asymmetrical. I really wish I could have done more for this aesthetic, but I just didn't have enough items that fall into this dystopian category. So next up I'll be styling Dollette, which is one of my favorite aesthetics. Dollette is everything cute, girly, romantic, hyper feminine, and flirty. It is also tied with the aesthetic called coquette. Just think a lot of pastels, frills, ruffles, lace, bows, pretty much anything cute, I guess. I recently thrifted this cute ruffle baby doll dress and it just screams Dollette, so definitely had to style it. I paired it with some white thigh-high stockings, my pink fuzzy cardigan, platform Mary Janes, and a white bow, and this outfit 100%, maybe 1000% me. The second outfit is actually a thrift flip from a vintage floral dress that I thrifted a while back. I actually featured this thrift flip in a recent YouTube shorts, so I will link it here at the top if you haven't seen it yet. I also made these puff sleeves and choker out of the extra material that I had from the dress, so I added them to this outfit as well. And to finish off the look, I added my cream rose bag for the last accessory, and this is the final outfit. This is a thrift flip that I'm actually really proud of, although I am always proud of all my outfits, but this one I was able to make 1.5 outfits from just one dress, so I was very happy. Now this silky dress was not thrifted from a thrift store, but I did purchase it secondhand online. I mean, can you imagine if someone actually found a silky dress just lying in a thrift store. That would be the best day of my life. I styled this dress with some white lace thigh highs, my platform Mary Janes, layered pearl necklace, which I've been actually wanting to replace with a Vivienne Westwood one, but you know, that's besides the point. Anyways, some white mesh gloves, another bow of course, and this lilac faux croc bag that I thrifted from ThredUp. It's from the brand XOXO, estimated to retail for $64, and I got it on ThredUp for $27.99. I just love this style so much. It's just so dreamy and cute and soft, and it's definitely one of my favorite aesthetics. But moving on, we are going to style Y2K rock next. Alright, listen, I still don't know what this aesthetic is called. I've heard many terms. I've heard chrome hearts core, punk Y2K, etc., but we're just gonna call it Y2K rock. You know, just think of a rock star's girlfriend's aesthetic from the 2000s. Comment down below if you actually know the correct name for the aesthetic. So the first piece we're styling is this patent leather coat that I found on ThredUp. It's from the brand ASOS, estimated to retail for $64. I actually got this for $17.50. I paired it with my leather mini skirt, this system of a down tank that I actually thrift flipped as well, this cross chain necklace from my friend Jen at OHT NYC, and I finished the look off with my IMG bag because I felt like the blues totally matched. Next, we're styling these red faux leather pants. It's from Princess Polly, estimated to retail for $64. I got it on ThredUp for $28.99. So the pants are completely high-waisted, but I wanted to style them with a front V waistband. So all I did was zip up the pants halfway, and then I tucked the corners inside. So that's a little trick that I like to do if I ever want to do a V waistband. I styled it with a black and red IMG top, and then for shoes I went with my strappy naked wolf heels, layered a couple bedazzled / sequence belt, and then I finished the look off with my Dior bag and gradient sunglasses. I feel like this outfit is giving more rock than what I was going for, but I tried my best. And the last outfit we're styling in this aesthetic is the Harley Davidson vest from ThredUp, estimated to retail for $125. I got it on ThredUp for $63.25. I styled it with this patent bikini top / garter tights and a mini black skirt. And you know what I'm surprised I do not have is a plain black micro mini skirt. It's so funny because it's literally just a tube of fabric, which I can make myself even, yet I don't have one. Anyways, I digress. I'm just using a mini skirt, but this outfit would have looked fire with a micro mini skirt. And my final touches are my cheetah accessories. And I don't know if I'm just like Delulu or something, but this outfit is a bit tacky, but I really like it. But then again, when did I ever care about what other people say about the things that I like? So moving on to the next and last style, we have cyberpunk. Okay, for cyberpunk, we're talking chrome everything, very futuristic, light color scheme, robot core, AIs. I've also seen people call this style AECORE or AECORE based off the K-pop group aespa. Not really sure how to pronounce it. AECORE, I don't know. Anyways, it's such a sick style that I love, and I really wish that I had more pieces for, but I did find the silver puffer from ThredUp that I'm so excited to style because it totally fits the vibe. It's from the brand Kenneth Cole, estimated to retail for $191, but it was on ThredUp for $39.99. Next is another one of my favorite pieces from ThredUp. It's this oversized cream puffer jacket. It's from Old Navy, estimated to retail for $107. Got it on ThredUp for $50.99. I styled this one with a cutout bathing suit top that I had, this cargo skirt and leg warmer set from Day Studio, and my white platform boots. I'll be honest, Old Navy isn't my top choice to shop at all, but they really ate with this jacket, even though I'm pretty sure it's vintage and they don't really have pieces like this currently. But anyways, thank you Old Navy for such a cute jacket. And the last piece we're styling in this video is this silver satin jacket. The design is a denim jacket, but the material is made out of silver satin, which makes it pretty unique. I promise the pants look a lot cooler in person, but they just kind of look a little matte and gray, and I paired those with my mesh bodysuit. And then for accessories, I'm using this silver chrome oversized chain choker, which is actually just made up of 2 chained earrings, these gray sunnies, white platform boots, and my silver slouch bag. Honestly, I was quite skeptical with how this outfit was going to turn out. I definitely want to start shopping more of this futuristic aesthetic, so if you see me buying more chrome things, you know why. So that is it for my video. I hope this video gave you some outfit inspo for these new aesthetics that I showed showed you. And if you just found your new aesthetic, that would be so cool. Let me know in the comments if it did help you. If you want to thrift any of the items like the ones I styled in this video, click the link in my description box below and use my code Nava for an extra 30% off your first order. Let me know in the comments which unique aesthetic you want me to thrift next. If you want to connect with me, all my socials are at the Nava Rose, except for TikTok, which is at the .Nava Rose. That is it for my video. Happy thrifting, happy aesthetic exploring. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.